A jump shot. Why is it important? Why should we use it? Simply because the jump shot is you're able to create space by jumping through the air and try to go over the defender. As a shorter basketball player, such as myself, it's very important to be able to do that. When your defender is here, you obviously want to create space. Now, what I like to do is, instead of getting right up on my defender, what I'll do is I'll stop short of him and use my momentum to lift me up and to do the jump shot. Here's some footage of basically how a jump shot should look and how it should end up when it goes to the basket. Now, on a jump shot, you want to practice your form first. Now, it doesn't matter if you're just starting off, if you're just missing the shots. What matters is feeling comfortable on your shot. When you dribble up and you shoot, make sure that you feel comfortable in it. Feel comfortable and feel that flow to where you know as far as the distance, as far as how high you want to jump, something where it feels where you're not out of control. And then once you've got an idea of that, then you can really focus on your actual shot and the follow through. By doing that, practice, 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 you jump shot, you'll be able to making shots, and you'll be able to advance your game.